Hello, third grade. We are now on lesson number 9, and I would like to teach you a little bit about the extended pentatonic scale. Okay, if you see the picture here, we have a picture of the Pentagon. I don't know if you know what happens at this governmental building, but it is our headquarters for the United States Department of Defense. People in this building that work in this building help protect us in our country. Notice that there are 5 sides to this building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in the shape of a pentagon. And we're going to be talking about another thing called a pentatonic scale today. It has the prefix penta. Penta means 5, as you already probably know that. And our scale looks like this. Let's start here today on Do, counting with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is our main pentatonic scale right here. We're going to extend it today with notes lower than Do and also notes higher than La. Okay, and notice the skip. We're just skipping one note right in here, and we're skipping one note in here. Okay, so if we were to start on Do, here's Do. Sing with me. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. This is low Do. This is high Do. Right here. I'll sing this with this note in there and with this note in there, okay? Just so you can hear which notes we're leaving out. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do. Okay. Now I want to introduce you to lo, la, and lo, sol. They have little marks beside the word, just showing you that it's the lower version. Okay? Do, T would be right here, but we're going to leave T out. La, sol, sol, la, do, sol, la, do, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Okay, going on. Here is Do. Here is high Do. How do we know that it's high Do? Well, it's up higher on the staff than this one is. And we also know by the little mark that's up here. If it was low Do, it had to have a mark down here, but this is high Do. Okay. Do, 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 do. Sing that a few times and do the hand actions that this girl is doing. Down low, Do, up high, Do, over your head. Okay. Going on to this one, if you were in my class right now, you would be playing the xylophones. This is getting prepared for a song that we're going to be using on xylophones. And this would be our Do, re, mi, so, la, and Do. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Do, do. Okay? Sing that through a few times, and I will be back with another video to help you out with other things in this lesson.